Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Freeletics Honest Review. So Freeletics is a fitness and training app built around the idea of having a digital coach guide workouts based on your goals, fitness level, and available equipment. And it focuses heavily on bodyweight training, HIIT style sessions, and strength conditioning, with workouts designed to be done at home, outdoors, or in the gym. Over time, the app's AI coach adjusts intensity and structure based on how workouts are rated and completed. So plans evolve as fitness improves. Now, when looking at whether Freeletics is worth using, well, independent feedback gives a pretty grounded picture here. Now, according to Trustpilot, well, the app holds a solid overall rating, with many reviews describing it as effective and motivating. Now, based on what Trustpilot shows us, people often highlight that the workouts feel challenging but well structured, and that adaptive coaching helps remove guesswork. Many reviews mention visible improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness when the app is followed consistently. Now, the big reason Athletics works for many people is structure. Now, instead of randomly choosing workouts, the app lays out a plan and pushes accountability. Reviews often mention that the coach feature helps maintain a consistency, especially for people who struggle to plan workouts on their own. Now, the flexibility is another commonly praised point here. Workouts can be tailored to body weight only routines or adjusted around visible equipment or available equipment, which makes it practical for home training here. That said, not everyone feels it's a perfect fit. Now, some Trustpilot and App Store reviews here, so if you're wondering, it is available in the App Store. So, basically, reviews mention that the workouts can feel very intense, especially for beginners or people returning after a long break. Others point out that while the free version gives a basic taste, the more personalized plans and full coaching experience are locked behind a paid subscription. Now, the subscription price comes up fairly often in feedback, with some people feeling it's a bit high compared to simpler fitness apps. Now, community discussions and long term user feedback also suggest that Freeletics works best for people who enjoy structure, challenging training, and comfortable with bodyweight focused workouts. Those looking for highly specialized programs like powerlifting or bodybuilding focused routines sometimes feel the app doesn't fully match their goal. Results also depend heavily on consistency. The app provides guidance, but the effort still has to come from the person using it. Now, overall, Freeletics here comes across as a legitimate and well established fitness app rather than a gimmick. Now, Trustpilot reviews and long term user feedback shows that many people do see real results when they stick with it. It isn't the cheapest option, and it's not designed for everyone, but for some who wants guided, adaptive workouts and doesn't want to plan training sessions manually, it can be generally worth using. Now, out of everything that we found here, we could assume that this is legit and worth it for people who want structured, AI guided fitness training. And that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.